Fire trucks.
Fire truck.
Oh, yeah, fire trucks.
Fire truck.
Bye, fire truck. You're using a lot. Do you have a butt?
I know. Easy. Dad, Jill loves doing my hair.
She's gonna be a hairstylist. Okay, let's see what you can do with Ian's hair.
Okay. Ian's hair.
Yeah, Ian's turn. Sure you are.
I'm not.
Uh-huh.
Right here. I'm not. Here.
Wow, nice help, Ian.
There you go. So, Ian, you have to do a good job, okay?
Not in your eye.
My eye. That's where hair goes. In your eye. It's gonna hurt.
Yeah, that's a lot already, Gia. You're using a lot. No more.
Okay. Now brush your hair.
Let me see that. Oh, man, you're using it all. What the heck?
She's doing something. It's a girl. Let me see the brush so I can brush his hair quick.
Comb it up. Do a style.
Do a style. Ooh, I like Ian's hair. First I have to brush it. Then. Looks so cute. Oh! Yeah, no. Where's the spray? Because I need to put it right here.
You gotta comb it up.
I'm going to get a comb.
You have a comb. You have a brush. Use the brush.
Buggy.
Bungie.
I took the brush. Here, Jay. You're still going to brush my hair. Let me just find a comb. Okay. Where's the comb?